Good morning, y'all. Happy Monday. Today is, I almost said February. It is March, I'm gonna say 10th. I am headed to the vet's office. I ran out of Cash's heartworm meds. So I called this morning. They said, yeah, girl, come on, we got you. So I'm gonna run and pick those up real quick. Oh wow, it's busy and I don't even have a parking spot. I was gonna go on a walk this morning and that was gonna be like, I had it all planned out. Like my first clip was gonna be like, come on a walk with me. And then it was raining this morning. So we didn't do that, but I might go to hot yoga tonight. I've been going to hot yoga and hot Pilates with one of my nieces in the evenings and just paying like the drop-in class fee. So I might join tonight because it's so much cheaper. I just don't like the commitment, you know what I mean? Of like auto draft every single month. But anyway, so we might do that tonight. You know what, before I continue, let me run in and get this and I'll be right back. I am back, got the goods. I'll figure this out eventually. So that was the only errand that I needed to run this morning. I did order, I wanted to tell y'all, new watch bands for this Garmin watch. I mentioned a couple vlogs back that the soft silicone white band that came with it gave me like a weird, I just had a weird reaction to it, and doing a little bit of research, that's not uncommon for a lot of people. So I went online per y'all's recommendations, thank you for that by the way, and picked out this. I'll put a little picture here. So it was a 2-pack of these like cloth stretchy bands. I got this tan color, which I think is really pretty, and then like a mauve. And then I did order another band. It's like a soft stretchy gold metal. I haven't tried that one yet because this is the first one that I put on and really liked it. But so far so good. I've been wearing it like 24/7, well besides like shower and when I do dishes and stuff, because I'm unsure of how this band will do when it gets wet. But I've been wearing it for a week, if not, yeah, around about a week, and it's been fine. So thank y'all for cluing me in on different watch bands for this. I guess I'm gonna go home and do a little bit of work. I ordered from Girlfriend or Girlfriend Collective. I'm not sure which one they go by these days, but it's activewear, like extended sizing activewear, and I'm waiting on one more package to arrive, and then I'm gonna film that video, but I don't know if it's gonna show up today or not. The first package did show up and I ordered, it's green, I think they call it their aspen color, and it is so pretty. I wasn't sure of sizing, but I tried that set on and it fits and it looks so cute. Everything else I ordered is black, so anyway, that should show up today. We are gonna do dinner together, by the way, so I will see you later. I didn't even tell y'all that I got my nails done too. I need to reshape them a little bit, okay? They look a little short and stubby, so I need to go home and reshape them, but I haven't had my nails done in so long. Hi, welcome back. It is time to start dinner in the crock pot here. For the sake of time, I have already cleaned the crock pot, lined or like sprinkled some flour at the bottom, and put my chicken thighs in. I am doing the same recipe that I shared in that macro-friendly like weekly recipes video. Now, granted, that recipe is with chicken legs, but I'm doing it with chicken thighs tonight. Also, fun fact, we have done that chicken leg recipe probably 6 times since that video went live. Also, my Girlfriend Collective items did show up, and it turned out so good, like so many cute things. So I will link that video down below, but it is about 4:35 on the dot. This takes about 4 hours in the crock pot, so let me show you what I'm putting in. All right, let's do a little bit of salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and then I have this chicken seasoning that we're gonna use. Gonna be a little bit generous with this, a little bit of chicken broth. Cover it and we'll put it on high for 4 hours. That is a bright light. All right, it is 6:04. I just washed the makeup off my face. I used a moisturizer that's a little bit different. This is the one for oily skin versus the one I normally use, which is kind of for dry skin. This one is not as, why am I telling you this whole thing? I'm getting ready to go to hot yoga. We're gonna do a little bit of something that I like to call exposure therapy. All right, so basically, I'm gonna wear an outfit that I'm just a little bit, I'm not as confident in, right? But it's literally a workout class. It's dark in there. This is the Girlfriend Collective. They call it their unitard. I ended up keeping it from the haul. It's so comfortable and it's such a cute, I don't know. I feel like I said, I can work out in it, but I think it would also be cute with a button up left open and sandals. So I'm gonna wear this to hot yoga. Week before when I went, it was maybe 4 people. I was one of 4 people in the class. But for the drive, I think I'm gonna wear these. Abercrombie, is that where I got these? No, that's too many times. these leopard like sweatpant joggers. Okay. And then I'm just wearing sandals, like those black slide sandal things, because you don't wear shoes in hot yoga. It's so crazy though, because in my head I'm like, I have to take these sweatpants off and then like walk from where you leave your things into the workout room. It's fine. We're gonna be fine. Y'all, I've made it with like 5 minutes to spare. Let me grab this, grab this. Look at the kitty. There we go. Look at that kitty. Oh. Okay, I'm in. I paid. I'm taking my pants off. Oh God. There's like 4 people in there. I can't take you in there with me, so I will see you when I get out. Okay, we did it, y'all. What are y'all doing? Just hanging out? Oh my goodness. Hi, sweet girl. Hi, sweet girl. All right, let's check on the chicken. I just checked my phone and it has, I think it said 51 minutes left. Oh, it smells so good in here. I think those lavender towels they give you might be the culprit for this issue that I have, because it only really happens at, oh my gosh, my face is so red. I think anyways, we're gonna test it because I'm going tomorrow to a class too. Wanna go outside? Let's go outside. How about the world did not end because I wore a unitard to hot yoga? No one cares what you wear. Like, everybody's hot, everybody's sweaty, nobody's looking at anybody else. You're just trying to survive. I think they say that room is 105 degrees and then 40% humidity. Like, nobody cares what you look like in there. And this was so comfortable. I didn't have to like pull it up, adjust anything one time. Well, okay, I take it back. I did slide the shoulder straps in a little bit more. But they weren't falling off. So I'm very happy with this purchase. I'm gonna go take a shower, figure out what side I wanna do with that chicken tonight, and then I will see y'all tomorrow. Hi, good morning. You'll never guess where I am. Just take a wild guess. I'm sitting outside. Y'all already know. Why am I even saying it? I'm at Yellowhammer. It is 8:45. Somebody in this drive there is jamming out, unless it's their like overhead radio, which has never happened. But they're jamming out. All right, so 8:45 this morning, I have to go take the white off. I should have known better. Like I mentioned, 2 days ago, I haven't gotten my nails done in so long, and I love, like, I have a matching pedicure. I love everything about it, but whenever I get auditions, or I don't know what you would call it, just things that the modeling agencies need me to send in, like videos for, or of me like introducing myself, you're not supposed to have nail polish, and it would just so happen that I got one, so I need to go get it taken off. I thought that maybe I could have a week free of them, which I'm not upset about, don't get me wrong. I'm happy to do all the things that they need me to do. So we're gonna go take the white gel polish off. I'm just gonna get clear. Well, I'm getting nothing, and then I'm gonna go home and put on the Sally Hansen. It's like a hardening type situation. So that's what I'm gonna do. Say goodbye to the white nails. I've had them since Saturday. It's only Tuesday. Also, this Nike, it's a matching sweatsuit. Always surprised. I love it. I forget how much I love it. I don't know why I got this tan color. Like, this is not, I should have gotten, like, I have that navy set that I was actually just wearing in the first part of this video, but that's from Hollister. Like a burgundy or a hunter green. Well, actually I have a hunter green set from Walmart, but you know what I'm saying? Like, this color was not the way to go. Even black would have been pretty. It does match my watch pretty good. So, all right, coffee, and then we're gonna go get rid of these. Specifically, oh, stand by. All right, specifically because in this clip, I need to do like this and like show my hands for something. The nail salon closest to where I am right now opens at 9. It's not the one that I've been going to lately, like where I went and got the gel. Because I've really been liking that one, but that doesn't open until 9:30, and this one right here opens at 9. So we're just gonna go here, get it taken off quick as possible, and then I can go home and get ready and do whatever it is that I need to do. I also fixed this. It's a work in progress. This is where I'm going. I am like 9 minutes early, so I'm just gonna hang out in my car. This car always sounds like there's a window open or a door open or something, but I think it's just because the top comes off, like it's secured, but you just get like extra wind. I love this car though, by the way. Car update, I guess. I love it so far. I did buy one of those car wash monthly things a couple days ago, so we'll probably take it one day, maybe today, and get it washed. I mean, I do park in a garage, but like I park out and about when I go places and stuff. So I haven't had one of these in like a week, and this is healing me. It's so good. Tomorrow I'm getting my hair done. I love to get my hair done. I don't love to sit there and get my hair done. Does that make sense? But like I wish that I could send this video in of like me talking in my hands tomorrow, because my hair would be so pretty. I'm going like blonder, obviously. This is all like natural. Oh my gosh, pretty far back. And then obviously that's dyed like bleached blonde. But I haven't gotten my hair done since, I want to say early December, late November, early December, because I did it for those, or I got, you know, got it refreshed for those pictures that I did in Miami. So really it was just a refresh. It wasn't even like a full highlight type situation. And that was in like I said, late November, early December. And now it is mid-March. I'm trying to go longer in between appointments because I really do like this like darker fade into a little bit lighter look on me. But I also love, y'all know, like to the roots blonde, like highlights. When she asked me what I wanted to do, I just said half a head of highlights and then a haircut. My hair, it needs to be cut so bad. But I always do, not always, but typically I do half highlights, like half my head versus a full highlight, because I just have so much hair. And number one, it would be really expensive, but it also takes a really long time. So I do half, and they do like this part here. Like if you were to put your hair half up, half down, they do the top part. But then she also goes through and does like the perimeter at the bottom too, so that when you put it up, it doesn't look as dark on the bottom. So we're gonna do that tomorrow. I will obviously take you with me. I need to find my little, is it called an Octo Buddy? The little sticky thing for the back of your phone so that I can stick it on her mirror. I don't know her that well, but for y'all, I might. See if she'll let me vlog. I did save a little Instagram reel and TikTok that I want to do, like a before and after. We'll see if I actually end up doing it. It is now 8:55. I've been talking for 4 minutes, actually 3 minutes and 11 seconds. I can't have free time because now I'm debating, like, do I go back online and get me one of these in a different color? Because this is so comfortable. Oh, let's talk about hot yoga last night. Well, I kind of mentioned like wearing the little like unitard thing from Girlfriend Collective. It was not so much easier, but the class was easier last night, which is good because I've been doing it, and so it's getting a little bit easier. Like there's one they call, I think it's called the Scorpion. So you're like laying flat on your stomach and you reach your hands back and pull your legs like they're bent. I'll try to find a picture or a video of the pose and put it here. That one was easier. So like little things are becoming easier, which is good. Tonight I'm gonna do hot Pilates with one of my nieces. They don't have school today for some reason. I don't know if it's just them or if it's like a school holiday or something like that, but they don't have school today. So they're gonna meet me for lunch, and then one of them is gonna do hot Pilates. The other one said no thank you. Totally understandable. I don't know if I can drink this whole coffee, y'all. I kind of feel like after that much of it, I don't know, I kind of feel a little bit nauseous. Also, what kind of shoes are we wearing with these kind of like matching sets? Okay, help me out. All right, here's the before. Also, this place is so cute in here. No work, no. All right, I am done. I lied. I did get a gel color, but I just got the clear versus like a gel color. This is like they did like the clear base and then a clear color so that it was shiny. I didn't do much else because I just got a manicure the other day. The shape and everything didn't need to be changed. I feel like that looks better there, but then I'm too dark. All right, so I'm gonna go home and do a little bit of, I like that better, and do a little bit of work. In case you wonder what I wear for castings, this black bodysuit from Shapermint, I'm testing out the belt. I don't know if it's gonna cut me off, because I'm just wearing these black jeans from Walmart, the Sophia brand, and then my black Ralph Lauren boots that I've had for so long. I curled my hair because that's how it is in all of my digitals. I debated wearing a white bodysuit. I also have a gray short sleeve one, but I feel like the black one is just the way to go. So there we go. This is the outfit. Update, I'm losing the belt. I think it cuts me off. We're gonna go no belt. So for this one, I need to do like chest up, talking, show my hands like I talked about this morning, but they also wanna see a full body video. Because normally, if I'm being honest, I probably wouldn't wear shoes. Good morning, y'all. Happy Wednesday. It is 9:51 on the dot. My hair appointment is at 10. I couldn't find, I think it's called the Octa Buddy, the thing I talked about yesterday that sticks to the back of your phone so you can stick it to things. But I did find this that I own, and this sticks, it's metal, so it's like a magnet. So I don't know if there's an area near her little station where I can stick this. If not, you'll just get bits and pieces of clips. I did start my cute Instagram reel this morning. It's not as cute as I thought it was gonna be. You know, but we're gonna make it work because I think it'll still be fun to post. I will show you what you've seen my hair. Okay, I don't know why I need to take it down and show you. You can see all the dark, all the blonde. It is so thick and so heavy, and the ends are just so frazzled. So we're gonna do a little chop chop, not short, just like a trim, maybe some long layers, maybe some face framing layers, maybe. And then obviously partial highlight, blonde. We'll probably do root smudge and then brighter around the face. I did like 6 more takes of the Instagram reel in the car just now. I'm trying to make it good, okay? I want to be cute. This is where we're going. I've been here, I think this is my 4th time coming here. I see Brandy, in case you're interested. Also, it's slightly chilly. Oh, I have a full water. It's slightly chilly, so I put a jacket on, which is dumb because I'm about to put a smock on. Okay, here we are. We did no roots, like nothing on the roots. We just did highlights or like lighter front pieces, a few highlights throughout. She did something, well, she called it tips, where she just put blonde down here, and I love it. I love the root smudge look. I don't have a ton of grays yet. I mean, there's probably 4 or 5 of them in there. So I think it's okay. And I love when they curl it like that. I don't know. I need to learn how to do that. So hair, beautiful. 10 out of 10. I think it's so pretty. She was telling me about some kind of treatment, Kerastase Premier treatment that they've started doing there. I opted out this time. I need to look into it and see more like before and afters of people with my hair texture and thickness and stuff to see. But it's supposed to help with like frizz and shine and calcium buildup from like the water when you wash your hair and stuff. Okay, I love it. I'm gonna end this vlog here because I need to go home. I'm gonna put some makeup on. I'm gonna work a little bit. I'm starving right now though. So I'm gonna go home and make lunch first, but that's it. That's a wrap on this week's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next one. Goodbye.